Can you imagine building an entire car, not just rolling it off the line, but actually manufacturing it in under 5 seconds? That's exactly what Tesla just confirmed for the upcoming 2025 Model 2. Elon Musk believes the company will soon be able to produce a car in less than 5 seconds, start to finish. Let that sink in. A fully built car coming off the line every 5 seconds. And according to Musk, there's nothing preventing Tesla from beginning production within the timeline they've already outlined. Now let's be clear, this isn't just a car rolling off the line every 5 seconds. We're talking about actually building a complete car in 5 seconds flat. So how is that even possible? What kind of breakthrough is Tesla using to make this a reality? And why hasn't any other automaker come close? In this video, we're going to explore the jaw-dropping innovations behind what may be the most advanced car factory on the planet. If you're into tech that defies expectations and rewrites the rules, be sure to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell. We're on a mission to reach 10,000 subscribers and bring you the latest in Tesla's revolutionary technology. So, how exactly is Tesla building the Model 2 in just 5 seconds? Let's uncover the secrets behind this manufacturing marvel. When Elon Musk first claimed that Tesla could produce a car in under 5 seconds, many experts scoffed. It sounded like exaggerated hype. After all, traditional car manufacturing takes hours, not seconds. But what those skeptics didn't realize is that Tesla isn't following the old rulebook. They've completely reinvented how cars are made. The first major innovation is Tesla's proprietary quantum manufacturing matrix. Traditional car production works like a relay race. Each step happens one after the other. But Tesla has introduced a new system with 17 parallel production nodes working at the same time. While legacy manufacturers like Ford and Toyota refine their relay races, Tesla has essentially invented an entirely new sport. These 17 production cells operate simultaneously, allowing multiple components of the Model 2 to be built all at once. The result is a staggering compression of time. Where traditional factories might take 55 to 60 minutes for sequential assembly, Tesla's parallel process cuts that down by 99.8%. Another game-changing advancement is what Tesla calls the molecular unibody. In a typical vehicle, there are more than 20,000 individual parts. Tesla has reduced that number to just 148 components for the Model 2. This dramatic simplification is made possible by a proprietary metal-polymer fusion process, which forms entire structural sections in just 0.7 seconds. To put that into perspective, traditional welding takes 2 to 3 seconds per spot weld. Tesla's bonding technology can complete entire structural joins in just 0.03 seconds. By eliminating 94.3% of assembly points, Tesla also eliminates 94.3% of potential failure points, resulting in a faster, stronger, and more reliable vehicle. Then there's the paint shop, historically one of the biggest slowdowns in car manufacturing. Traditional methods involve spraying, drying, and curing, taking anywhere from 6 to 12 hours and producing a ton of waste. Tesla's solution? Color fusion skin technology. This new process embeds color directly into the surface at the molecular level, taking just 0.8 seconds and requiring no drying time at all. Compared to older factories that use 4.7 gallons of paint and waste 5.2 gallons per car, Tesla's method generates zero waste. And because the pigment becomes part of the material itself, the finish doesn't chip, fade, or flake. It literally is the car. Finally, there's Tesla's neural integration system for drivetrain installation, one of the most complex steps in traditional car manufacturing. Normally, this process takes 12 to 18 specialized workers about 45 to 60 minutes. Tesla's solution? 48 synchronized robots that complete the entire drivetrain installation in just 1.2 seconds. And these aren't ordinary industrial robots. They're part of an intelligent, adaptive system. Tesla's production robots achieve an astounding connection precision of 0.000012 millimeters. That's 17 times more accurate than aerospace manufacturing standards. But they're not just accurate, they're intelligent. These robots operate as one, working in sync as a single, unified mechanical brain. Every movement is perfectly choreographed by Tesla's central AI, resulting in the smoothest, most precise powertrain installation the automotive world has ever seen. Tesla has also cracked one of the biggest production challenges: quality control. While traditional automakers inspect vehicles after they're built, often adding hours to the process, Tesla's predictive manufacturing intelligence ensures quality before and during production. With 18,400 sensors gathering over 42 million data points for every single car, Tesla's AI monitors the exact position and condition of every component in real time, down to the atomic level. Instead of detecting flaws after the fact, Tesla's system predicts potential issues as the car is being built and corrects them on the spot. The difference is staggering. While traditional manufacturers find defects in 0.8 to 1.2% of finished vehicles, Tesla's system proactively prevents 99.997% of defects before they even happen. When you combine these 5 revolutionary technologies, the once unbelievable goal of producing a complete car in just 5 seconds becomes not just possible, but inevitable. While the rest of the auto industry has spent the last 100 years refining an aging linear process, Tesla tore up the rulebook and started fresh, building a brand new system from first principles. So, what blew your mind the most? The 17-node parallel production system? The synchronized thinking robots? The 0.8-second painting process? Drop a Model 2 and your favorite innovation in the comments. Now here's the most surprising part. Despite using such cutting-edge tech and ultra-fast production speeds, Tesla's manufacturing process is also nearly flawless. But how is that even possible for a company with only a fraction of the experience compared to giants like Ford or Toyota? Let's break it down. When Tesla first shared its bold manufacturing goals, critics were quick to doubt. After all, how could a company with less than 2 decades of production experience rival the capabilities of industry veterans with over a century under their belt? But what looked like Tesla's biggest weakness has actually turned out to be its greatest strength. While Ford has spent 120 years slowly evolving its manufacturing systems, Tesla has spent just 15 years completely revolutionizing them. The difference is game-changing. Traditional automakers still allocate 42 to 58% of their R&D budgets to maintaining outdated systems. Tesla, on the other hand, invests a massive 91% into pioneering new technologies. While legacy automakers try to modernize factories built in the 1950s, Tesla designs its futuristic production cells from scratch, free from legacy constraints. The contrast was made clear when Mercedes tried to adopt Tesla-like systems, but managed to replicate only 8% of Tesla's efficiency, simply because their infrastructure wasn't built for it. Tesla's clean slate approach allowed them to reimagine manufacturing without compromise. And yes, they just built a fully functioning car in 5 seconds. Do you think this represents the future of how things will be built? If you do, comment 5 seconds to show you're part of the revolution. Tesla's dominance is further powered by its AI-driven manufacturing model. While traditional automakers still rely heavily on human experts with decades of hands-on experience, Tesla has built an AI system that essentially holds the wisdom of 14,000 years of manufacturing. It's absorbed all known production knowledge and then pushed it far beyond what humans can manage alone. Here's how that looks in numbers. In human-run factories, a single process improvement might be made every 4.2 hours. Tesla's AI makes 1,140 micro-adjustments every second. And it doesn't just learn from one factory, it learns from every Tesla facility around the globe, collectively gaining the equivalent of 248 years of manufacturing experience every single day. The results speak for themselves. Tesla's production quality has seen dramatic, exponential improvement. Defect rates have plummeted from 4% in 2018 to just 0.2% by 2020. And by 2025, that number has dropped to an almost unmeasurable 0.0000012%. This isn't just high-quality manufacturing. This is something close to perfection. So the question is, does this level of precision make Tesla the undisputed leader in the auto industry? If you think so, go ahead and type Tesla wins in the comments. At the core of Tesla's manufacturing precision is its revolutionary use of digital twins. Long before a physical Model 2 is produced, a flawless virtual version has already been created and tested. Each digital twin undergoes the equivalent of 14 million simulated miles in various driving conditions. While traditional car makers rely on physical prototypes, Tesla runs quantum-level simulations, each one equal to about 623 years of real-world use. The results are staggering. Physical testing typically identifies between 78% and 82% of potential problems. Tesla's simulations, however, catch 99.99997% of possible issues before a single car is built. In fact, each Model 2 is virtually constructed and tested over 12.4 million times before a real version exists. This approach has proven incredibly effective. Tesla's digital simulations caught and prevented 1,842 potential design flaws before Model 2 production even began. By the time a physical car rolls off the line, it has already been refined and perfected in the virtual world. What's perhaps most impressive is that Tesla hasn't achieved this by adding complexity, but by radically simplifying. While legacy automakers often pile on more features and intricate systems with each new model year, Tesla does the opposite. They focus on eliminating unnecessary parts and systems entirely. The data makes the case clear. Most luxury vehicles are packed with 98 to 124 separate electronic control units. In contrast, the Tesla Model 2 uses just 3 high-powered neural processors. By fundamentally rethinking what a car really needs, Tesla has eliminated thousands of components, and with them, thousands of potential failure points. The result? Exceptional reliability and performance. Tesla's approach to manufacturing extends beyond internal design. It also revolutionizes supply chain management. While traditional automakers rely on hundreds of different suppliers, each with their own standards and procedures, Tesla produces 94% of its components in-house. Compare that to the industry average of just 35%. Tesla's control over quality goes all the way down to the atomic level. This level of vertical integration is a game changer. Where traditional automakers depend on 180 to 240 primary suppliers and more than 2,800 sub-suppliers, Tesla works with only 42 carefully chosen strategic partners. This streamlined approach delivers far better consistency and control. In fact, while typical supply chain issues cause roughly 38% of manufacturing quality problems, Tesla's model eliminates nearly 98% of them. One of the most jaw-dropping aspects of Tesla's production model is its use of adaptive swarm robotics, technology inspired by ant colonies, but re-engineered for precision industrial work. Instead of relying on fixed, rigid assembly lines, Tesla's gigafactories use thousands of autonomous mobile robots that communicate in real time and adjust themselves on the fly. If a part is delayed or a workstation is getting backed up, the system instantly reroutes tasks with no need for human intervention. This innovation alone allows Tesla to maintain an incredible 98.7% production uptime compared to the auto industry average of just 84.2%. These intelligent robotic agents are rewriting the rules of factory automation moment by moment. And there's even more. Tesla's cutting-edge quantum sensor diagnostics can detect flaws so small that even trained human inspectors or traditional sensors can't see them. These sensors monitor everything, from molecular bonding and temperature changes to atomic-level stress, at every critical stage of production. While most car makers inspect only about 7% of weld points in a vehicle, Tesla inspects every single one, 100%. And it doesn't stop there. Tesla's predictive AI also calculates how long each weld will last under various extreme conditions, ensuring long-term durability before the car ever hits the road. This means that a Tesla Model 2 doesn't just roll out of the factory in flawless condition. It leaves already knowing when and how it might fail, with those potential issues addressed before they can ever occur. That level of foresight, precision, and control is exactly why Tesla, despite being a much younger company, has achieved a standard of manufacturing excellence that legacy automakers are now racing to match. By starting from scratch, embracing advanced AI, perfecting each vehicle in the digital world before even touching a physical component, radically simplifying vehicle design and producing nearly every part in-house. Tesla isn't just building a better car, it's redefining what modern manufacturing can be. While some critics and competitors still dismiss Elon Musk's bold claim of a 5-second production cycle as unrealistic, Tesla is already making it happen. So, what do you think? Is Tesla winning the race towards the future of automotive manufacturing? Or have they already left the competition behind, still tying their shoes at the starting line? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you believe in the power of the Model 2, in those 5 incredible seconds, and in what Tesla is becoming, drop a comment and let us know. And if even one part of this story surprised, amazed, or inspired you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and we'd love to have you join the community that's tracking the future, one breakthrough at a time.